Hi, my name is King, and on this channel, I break down real estate in a simple way, from first-time homebuyer tips to seller strategies to investing. And today we're talking about how to buy your first home, step by step, and watch to the end because step 10 is crucial.
Buying a house can feel overwhelming. There are agents, lenders, inspections, contracts, down payments, and dozens of decisions to make. If you're a first-time buyer, it can feel like you're expected to understand everything instantly, but the process is actually very clear.
Check your financial readiness. Before you look at houses, you need to look at your finances. This means reviewing your income, debt, savings, and credit score. Ask yourself, is my income stable? Do I have manageable debt? Do I have savings beyond just a down payment? You'll want to have money set aside for a down payment, closing costs, moving expenses, emergency savings. It's also smart to check your credit score early. A higher score can mean a lower interest rate, which can save you thousands over time. Once you feel financially prepared, move to step 2. Determine your budget. This is where many buyers make mistakes. Don't just rely on what a lender says you're approved for. Instead, calculate what monthly payment feels comfortable for you. Your housing cost includes mortgage payment, property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance, flood insurance if required, HOA fees if applicable. The goal isn't to buy the most expensive home you qualify for. The goal is to buy a home that allows you to live comfortably. Step 3, get pre-approved. Pre-approval is essential, and from an agent standpoint, it should happen before you start seriously looking at homes. This means a lender reviews your financial documents and tells you how much you're qualified to borrow. You'll provide proof of income, tax returns, bank statements, employment information. Once pre-approved, you'll receive a letter showing sellers that you're serious and financially qualified. In competitive markets, this step is non-negotiable. Never start making offers without pre-approval. From an agent standpoint, it's good to know your numbers before you start searching for a home. If you don't know your budget up front, you risk breaking your own heart. Pre-approval protects you emotionally and financially. It gives you clarity. It gives you confidence. And it keeps you focused only on homes that truly fit your budget.
It also strengthens your offer.
So, before you tour a home seriously, get your pre-approval in place. Don't break your own heart. Know your numbers first. If you need help getting started, check the link in the description to get pre-approved before moving forward. It's a smart first move.
Because I've seen it happen many times. A buyer walks into a house, falls in love with it, starts imagining their future there, and then finds out they can't afford it. That's a heartbreak you can avoid. Believe me, it happens all the time.
Step 4, find the right real estate agent. A good agent protects your interests. They help you find properties. Schedule showings, negotiate offers, understand contracts, navigate inspections, handle closing paperwork. Choose someone who communicates clearly and understands your goals. Buying a house is too important to do alone because it's one of the biggest investments in your life. Step 5, start house hunting. Now the fun part begins, but stay logical. Before touring homes, define your must-haves, your nice-to-haves, and your deal-breakers. Don't fall in love with every property you see. Look at neighborhood, commute time, school districts, resale value, price, and condition of the home. Think long-term. Will this home still work for you in 3 to 5 years? Step 6, make an offer. When you find the right home, your agent will help you submit an offer. Your offer includes purchase price, contingencies, closing timeline, earnest money deposit. The seller can accept, reject, or counter your offer. Negotiation is normal. Stay patient and avoid emotional decisions. Step 7, schedule a home inspection. Once your offer is accepted, schedule a professional home inspection. The inspector checks roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, appliances. If issues are discovered, you can negotiate repairs, request credits, or walk away, depending on the contract.
Never skip this step. An inspection protects you from expensive surprises.
Step 8, secure your loan. After inspection, your lender moves into the underwriting phase. They verify your documents again and finalize your loan approval. Avoid making major financial changes during this time. Do not open new credit cards, buy a car, change jobs, make large purchases. Stability is key until closing. Step 9, home appraisal. Your lender will order an appraisal. This ensures the home is worth the purchase price. If the appraisal comes in low, you may need to renegotiate, pay the difference, or cancel the contract. Most transactions move forward without issue, but this step protects the lender and the buyer.
Step 10. Final walkthrough. Before closing day, you'll do something called a final walkthrough. This is your last chance to see the property before ownership officially transfers.
The purpose of the final walkthrough is simple: to make sure the home is in the agreed upon condition. During the walkthrough, you should check that any negotiated repairs were completed, that appliances included in the contract are still there, and that there's no new damage.
That the home is empty if required. That everything is functioning properly. Turn on lights, test faucets, run appliances, flush toilets, check doors and windows. This is not a second inspection, but it is your opportunity to confirm that nothing has changed since your original inspection. If something isn't right, your agent can address it before closing. Never skip the final walkthrough. It protects you right before one of the biggest financial transactions of your life. Step 11, closing day. This is the final step. You'll review and sign documents transferring ownership. You'll pay, down payment, closing costs, schedule transfer of utility services. Once everything is signed and funds are transferred, you receive the keys. You are officially a homeowner. Final thoughts. Buying a home is not about rushing. It's about preparation, patience, and smart decisions. The full process looks like this. Get financially ready. Determine your budget. Get pre-approved. Hire an agent. House hunt. Make an offer. Inspect the home. Finalize your loan. You follow the steps in order. The process becomes much less intimidating. If you watched the earlier videos in this series, you now understand the biggest mistakes to avoid, how much money you really need, how to know if you're ready, whether renting or buying makes more sense. And now you know the complete step-by-step process. If you want more clear, simple, honest real estate guidance, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. For free home buying and selling guides in the description below, make sure you check those out. And when you're ready to sell, buy, or invest in real estate, I'm just one call or text away. Thanks for watching Real Estate with Ting. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Call or email anytime, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and market updates.